What's going on, people? David McIntosh here, repping Devil Dog Gym Gear. We're here today, nice little outdoor circuit. It's not going to be nice, it's going to be real naughty. Okay, sometimes it's good, just get out of the gym, forget the treadmill, forget sitting, curling the dumbbells, forget all that stuff. Good to get out into nature and release that animal instinct, release the testosterone, release the power. It's time to get naughty, it's time to do it serious, Devil Dog style. Boom. Nice warm up, sprint in 5 seconds. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna get dirty, we're gonna get pumped, and we're gonna be looking real sharp. Let's put the show on the road, guys. You come that point in your life where you think, you know what, sitting on the chair at home, or pumping a little bit of weight to the gym, or even just sitting on the treadmill, it's not good enough. You're gonna test yourself. Time to release that power. Let's go. So long, release the animal and testosterone. It's power. It's boxing. Sharp. Used to be a commando, Ron Reed's commando, and I think now it's just nice to get out in the fresh air and just push the body to the limit, get dirty, and just get that testosterone flowing through your system. Love it. Devil Dog, sharpen up. Here more. 2 more forward. That's right. Obviously, being a Royal Marines commando, joined when I was 16, it's been like instilled to me throughout life, you know, training like this, going out into the wilderness, coming out, looking at a tree, looking at a hill, and just making up different exercises. Could get back to nature. There we go. Short, sharp, devil dog style workout. Legs, biceps, biceps burning, triceps running hard. Real sweet, real nice. Peace out. Oh man. Yes, what's going on, people? It's David McIntosh here, and this is your opportunity, yes, your opportunity to be on Fit Media channel. To send your fabulous, exhilarating, body pumping, triceps burning, biceps burning videos into Fit Media channel. Fit Media channel, the most exhilarating body pumping YouTube channel in the world. Send your videos into the link below and tell you what's going to happen when you send them in. I will critique your videos and your form. I'm going to give you good advice and tips, and I'll give you good feedback. So you better look sharp, you better look very nice. I'm going to be harsh. You better be looking muscular and better looking very, very sweet. So jump on board, send your videos in. It's real naughty and it's your chance to get your muscular, body pumping, accelerated videos online. Yes, Fit Media channel, the most vibrant, the most exhilarating YouTube channel. Let's see what you got. Get to the goddamn gym. Peace.